So, children, today I am going to demonstrate you the activity of biology. According to the syllabus of your biology, this is the activity number 5. The aim or objective of this activity is to show that xylem conducts water in plants. Children, remember that you have studied in the chapter there are two kind of tissues present in the plant which are responsible for the transportation of materials, and these tissues are xylem and second phloem. Xylem tissues are responsible for transportation of water and dissolved minerals, and the phloem tissues are responsible for the transportation of food materials in the plant's body. So with the help of this activity, I will demonstrate you that water transported, moved from roots to all parts of the plant with the help of xylem tissue. This tissue is present in the center of plant, that branches and stems, their center have the xylem tissue. For this activity, we require a soft twig of a plant. So here I have a soft twig of a plant. We require a beaker with water and some red color dissolved in it. So I have taken here a beaker with water and red color I have added here. So the water looks red in color. Children, please note that here I have taken the red color water just to indicate you clearly when the water will move, transport, so it will seem clearly because it looks red in color. So that is why here I have added the red color in the water. Now we will put our this soft twig in this colored water and put it for some time, about half an hour. So during this time, the water get transported through the xylem tissues which are present in the plant, and along with that water, that red color also get transported, also get moved up. Now take back this twig we have kept in the colored water. With the help of the blade, we will cut the fine slides of it. So here I have a glass slide, and we will put it here and cut the fine slides with the help of this cutter. Now here I have a small piece of fine slide of this branch of plant. We'll take a dropper and put a drop of water in this slide, and after that we will sift it under the microscope to watch that the center of this branch is red in color. So this is the microscope as you've seen it many times in your lab. Now I'm going to place this slide under it. Adjust your lenses. Yes. Now, children, the slide gives the clear structure of the xylem tissues in the plant, and it looks somewhat like that. This is the outer surface of the branch. Inside that, a band-like structure is present, that is phloem tissues. And in the center of this area is the xylem tissue, and this looks red in color under this microscope. So this kind of structure is going to observe here under the microscope. The center part of this slide is reddish in color because it is made up of xylem tissues, and the xylem tissues have taken out the water and along with that this red color, and that is why it seems reddish in color. So children, simply about this activity, it's going to show that the xylem tissues in the plant are responsible for conduction of water, and the substances which are dissolved in water like dissolved minerals, dissolved salts and all, they also get transported, they also get conducted with the help of same xylem tissue.